It's time to admit it, summer is coming to an end. Now that likely means you're either disappointed like my neighbor Bill, who's doing everything possible to try to extend the mowing season,
Why are my nitrogen levels so low?
or you're ecstatic for the lawn care work to be done like my other neighbor Phil.
Yeah, my levels are down too.
However you feel about summer, let's agree that it deserves a proper send-off. That's why at PaulB, we're running our summer send-off sale for the entire month of August. Now you'll find deals on the products you need to finish off those final summer checklist items. And we're giving Saturdays a huge upgrade all month with freebies and some food. Additionally, you'll find door prizes you can win every week, like this Gearwrench toolbox filled with tools, $1,500 shopping sprees from Milwaukee and DEWALT, several Brio fire pits, and even a Toro Zero Turn. Now to learn more about the sale and how you can register to win these door prizes, head over to paulbhardware.com. We'll see you at the summer send-off sale.